Our customers is the government agencies and their operators, private companies, and suppliers. Now, our work, which we use the software for, is in the area of installation of IT and bus devices.
The difficulty that we had before ManWinWin was to get the right information when we needed it, in a reliable form. During the time when we looked for the right software, ManWinWin actively engaged us in discussions and challenged us on our requirements to guide us to focus on our needs rather than only what we wanted. And ManWinWin helped us to identify or to condense our priorities and what we're actually looking for. One important aspect was not so much to find the software that does exactly what we wanted, but a software that helps us to accomplish what we needed.
Today, I'm within 1 minute, I can answer your question: how many devices are we making for one of our users?
We're happy to give a very clear instruction to our technicians: no more Excel spreadsheets for maintenance and anything related to it. If the information is in the software, we take it from there.